All right. So part of what you're going to do today is I'm going to give you another menu, and it's going to have more problems in it. And part of what you're going to do is you need to know how to subtract and add mixed numbers. Put your hand down. Nothing that I'm saying requires a question as of this point. So I'm going to work one example, going through all the steps that you have to do. So if I had the problem, 4 2/3 minus 2 5/6. We're subtracting with mixed numbers. Michaela, what is my first step? No. Ty.
To multiply the denominator to the same as.
No common denominator first. In my journal, I have a foldable. Remy, what's my first step? Make them improper fractions. If I'm going to subtract mixed numbers, my first step, as it says in your journal, is to make them improper fractions. Now, we did this in my first class, and most of the kids, I don't get it, I can't do it, I quit in about 12 and a half seconds without even looking in their journal. So if I do this, I have 14 thirds minus 17 sixths. Now, as Michaela said, now I need a common denominator. What would my common denominator be? Jasira? 6. This one's already over 6. I need to multiply this by a fraction that equals 1. Ty?
You multiply by 2.
2 over 2. The fraction 2 over 2 equals 1. If I multiply by 2 over 2, I'm not changing the value. I'm changing how it's written. 3 times 2 is 6. 14 times 2 is 28. This one's already over 6. So now I have 28 6 minus 17 6. You do not. And the rock means do not mess with the denominators. It's going to stay the same. 6. Then I subtract 28 minus 17, which is what, Madeline? 11 6. Okay, 11 6 is an improper fraction. When I get to my answer, I can't have an improper fraction. My answer needs to be in simplest form, and it cannot be an improper fraction. I divide 6 into 11. 6 goes into 11 one time. Subtract, I get a remainder 5. So I have 1 and 5 6. Change to an improper fraction for both of them. Find a common denominator. Subtract the numerators. Leave the denominators the same. Make sure your answer is in simplest form. Any difficulties with this?
No.
Trinity, there's menus on that back table. Please pass them out. Same as yesterday. When you get a column done, you bring that column to me and I check it out. If it's right, you move on. Stay on task or stay lonely lunch or stay after school. My choice because I feel like being mean. Love you all.